Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be showing you how to do the Pokemon Go hack to where you can teleport and it has the joystick on it. So you guys can see that I already have these two apps right here. This one and this one. It's the Pokemon Go and the one with the bunny. Then how to get those are that's how you get the hack, the bunny one. Then the other one is just the hack. I'll show you. No, actually, let me show you how to get it first. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to type in. Sorry. app.com. Click go. Then you're not going to want to do this one because this is VIP. You're going to want to click on the middle one, then click that, the green button. Obviously not going to install it again, so I'm going to click cancel, but if you're installing it, click install, then click out of it. It should be installing, but mine is already installed, so after that you're going to want to go to Safari, click on this. Go to General. Then scroll all the way down. Profile and Management and Device Management. Then go to this one. Then, as you can see, mine is already verified. So then I'm going to go back. When you verify yours, click out of it. Click into the app. Then mine takes always such a long time to load, and it's not loading right now, but wow, it always takes so long for my screen to load. I don't know why. And there it is. You're going to click allow. Then I'm just going to put in a random date. 1996. Submit. Then I'm going to sign in my account. Geo80. Then I'm going to do my password. I mean, I don't suggest going on your regular account because you might get banned, but that's what I do. And you guys can see like how it says teleport and has the joystick. I'll move that around. My game just lagged. Okay. So then, sorry this is being so laggy. It's laggy when I'm not recording, but you can see when you spawn in, you're gonna wanna. Oh crap! Why did I just do that? When you spawn in, you're gonna wanna click on the heart at the bottom and name that like home or something. I don't know. Then click. Then click on teleport. Then click out of the app. Go to Safari. Then go to PokeSnipers.com. And then there's going to be a list of Pokemon that come up. As you can see, it's like a Machamp, Weezing, Ivysaur, but it's being a little laggy. So yeah, so like Venomoth, Machamp. I'm gonna search. See if there's any. It doesn't like. It's only. The app only shows like. Or this, like. Pokesnipers. It doesn't always show like what you want. Like, see, I tried to search Charizard and it showed Machamp. Because there's no Charizards around right now, I guess. So. Let's look for what there is. Ooh, Snorlax. I think I'll get him. Yeah, I'm just gonna get that Snorlax. Oh. So copy that. Copy. Go back to the app. Then what I'm gonna want to do is click on that. Paste it. No. Paste pop-up, please. Paste. Then I'm going to paste it down here. Then delete that. Click OK. You don't need to write in the time because that's how long it will take to get there. So then click move. Sometimes the keyboard it might take sometimes a little longer. And as you can see on my radar, he's there and now he's there. So click on the Pokemon. I'm gonna click don't allow, but wow, quality game right here. Oh, okay, let me check something. It's being a little laggy, as you guys can see. Why does it keep popping up? Okay. Oh, he's not even a high level. And I forgot to stop at Pokestops, and I forgot I don't have any Pokeballs. Okay, but when you do have this position, even though like have a much better Snorlax than him, even if you don't, I don't know, like if you don't teleport home when you're clicked into the Pokemon, you're gonna get soft banned. And how to get on soft banned? I just teleport home, but I'm gonna run away from him, and I'm gonna be at my home. See, and then if you get on soft band, you go like this. This is being very laggy. It's always a lot laggier at night. Just because everyone goes on more, I feel like. So click on a Pokestop. You're going to want to spin it. This is how to get on soft band. Spin it. Mine would ever spin. Okay. Well, what you're going to do when you're clicked into it, spin it, click out of it, spin it, click out of it, like 40